Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's New Year Success Kit review video, I'd like to share with you the latest Autopilot traffic source from seven-figure earner and traffic expert Dawood Islam. But Dawood is giving you a lot more than 11 Autopilot traffic sources. If you watch this video here, he's giving you a complete success kit to be able to succeed in making money online in 2025. So the link in the description will take you to this short video here, and I recommend that you watch that. And I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you exactly what you're going to get as a member, but also what you can earn as an affiliate as well. So there will be a joining link in the description, and this really is a superb offer to kickstart your 2025 Make Money Online journey. Dawood is giving you 11 Autopilot traffic sources. So 10 products that he's previously launched, and then a brand new Autopilot traffic source for 2025. But the kit is giving you additional training, seven-figure earner training on how to succeed with AI, plus a lot more, which I'll go into shortly when I take you inside the members area and show you the superb value. There's no monthly membership costs with this offer. You'll pay a one-time $7.95. Excuse me. So if you're on a tight budget and you don't want to pay any monthly membership subscriptions for your traffic, then this is a great place to start. I'm also going to show you how to get a discounted price at the end of the video. Now, the great thing is you will also get auto approved once you become a member as an affiliate, and you can earn high ticket affiliate commissions up to $149. The beauty of this is you don't have to buy the high ticket products to be able to earn the high ticket commissions. I'll just show you shortly how that works. And these sort of offers are perfect for beginners without an audience. So if you're quite new to affiliate marketing, if you haven't got an email list or a big email list, if you haven't got a social media following yet, then you're going to be promoting your offer to a huge pre-built audience that includes buyers as well. And it's also going to be all on autopilot, set and forget traffic. There will be an income disclaimer and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims, any product claims, or any guarantees in this video. It's for educational purposes only. So let's just take a look, first of all, at who you're going to be buying your traffic and products from. So this gentleman here, Dawood, these are all the accolades that he's won in the Warrior Plus marketplace. So I know, like, and trust Dawood to buy every single one of his products, whether it be a traffic product, a training product. He does release and launch 2 products every single month, so I recommend keeping an eye out for those. And he's a top 10% product creator. These are all his accolades that he's achieved in the Warrior Plus marketplace. He's a superstar elite product creator. Now, he's also a top 25% affiliate. So Dawood is not just somebody who creates products and sells them to make money. What he does, he's an affiliate marketer, and so he understands your needs and how to help you generate leads and earn commissions as an affiliate marketer yourself. He's also an elite affiliate, and his products have been featured, 8 of his products have been featured in the top 10 marketplace. Now, what he doesn't mention on here is that he's also a very successful coach He's got a coaching platform that he charges nearly $1,000 to be a member of. So he has a lot of knowledge. He knows exactly what he's doing, and that's how he can help you. He knows what he's doing. So in the members area, when you join, they'll send you an email, and then you can get access to your members area. It does lots of videos for each of these categories in the menu down the left hand side, so it's really beginner friendly as well. This gives you an overview of the New Year Success Kit. Then you come down to the main training section. Now, the URL that you're going to submit it's important that you click on there and you test it. So you're going to get the traffic, it's going to load up in this system, and you're going to get the traffic that you've paid for. And then what you do is just to submit your URL. It's really simple. You can set this up in minutes. So he's going to submit your URL to all these traffic sites here. And all you do is choose the URL that you want to send in. Send it to this email address here, contact@elitetigersgroup.org. It gives you a subject line to use for your email, and then all he asks is that you send a copy of your receipt within that email. Now what I send him when I send my receipt in is my receipt. I just highlight, just copy and paste those 3 lines, and I put that into the email and send it off. That's all you need to do, because you just need some proof that you've actually bought the product. And after that, him and his team will set up everything for you, and then you're going to start getting your autopilot traffic, and that's going to run for a year. So I think it's great value. So let's have a look at some of the other products. If you want to view the rotator and have a look at what other people are promoting to get some ideas, you can click on that button there. That'll show you what other members are promoting if you want to get some ideas. And now this is these are some of the additional products you're going to get. So in this button here, how to succeed with AI. So this is a training by Dawud himself, a 7-figure earner. He's using this site here called TAFT as a tutorial on how to use the site, but he's also showing you how to monetize, how to earn income. So some great value here from Dawud. Quite impressed with all the additional trainings he's given you here. Normally he just promotes traffic and lets you promote traffic, but he's giving you some great value here with a complete kit. Then in this particular video here, the next one here, he's showing you how to earn a regular monthly income in 2025, and one of the easiest ways to achieve it with a site called Affiliate Wealth Maximizer. How to use a site, another tutorial here. The next part of the success kit down here is a toolkit. So you're going to get some tools that he recommends, Build-A-Biz and Leads Leap. I can highly recommend Leads Leap. I use that myself. You get a free lifetime membership with Leads Leap. And then you've got his business partner, Rocket Ronnie, doing a training here. A good step-by-step training on how to succeed in 2025 with Rocket Ronnie. Now, there's also some additional products down here as well, some bonuses. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 5 products here on other training. So how to build a list fast, how to succeed, again, some more AI training, how to succeed with memberships, membership products, and earn monthly passive income. So you're going to get all that included as well. You also get a free product every month when you click on there, when you become a member. And these two unadvertised bonuses here, James and Mike, these two are both 7-figure earners in the affiliate marketing industry. So James Kennedy is giving you, let's have a look, is giving you the secrets to become an efficient affiliate marketer. Just click on the icon there on the image and that will take you to that training. And then Mike from Maine, very successful marketer and YouTuber, does a lot of reviews, how to make $500 from simple YouTube videos. Click here. So a great training from Mike from Maine. So really superb value within for this product, just for a one-time $7.95 or the discount if you get the discount as well. So let's have a look at what you can earn as an affiliate. So what happens is when you become a member of New Year's Success Kit, then you get auto approved in the Warrior Plus Marketplace to become an affiliate. So in the top left hand corner there, you'll see my affiliate link. That's where yours will be. Now when you promote your affiliate link, first of all, if you look in the commission column on the right hand side, Dow paying 100% commissions on the front end. So once you've got one referral, then you'd have paid for your product. And after that, everything's going to be profit if you use free traffic like I do. Now, if you look down here at these other products that your referrals may buy, they get taken through a system. And if even if you don't buy any of these, you will still earn the affiliate commissions. And this one here is Dawood's Elite Academy. He's done a Black Friday special that he's carried on with. He normally charges $997, but in this case he's charging $497 to join his membership coaching program. So if any of your referrals join Dawood in his Elite Academy coaching program, they would pay $497 and you would earn a one-time commission of $149, even if you don't join it yourself. So there are some other great products here. There's resale rights, there's a monthly rotator. You might want to look at these yourself. Where it says DS, if you want to get a discount on any of these, when it talks about a product, just click on no thanks. It'll take you to the next page and you get it cheaper. So instead of paying $197 there, you can pay $97 for the same product. You get a $100 discount on that one there. And the same here goes for the reseller rights. Instead of paying $47, click on the button that says no thanks, and then you can buy it if you want to buy it for $27. So just a little tip there on how to get some savings on the product if you want to purchase them. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I forgot to, bear with me, show you how to get a discounted price. So let's just go back onto the home page here. Now when I refresh the home page here, the video might autoplay. So what happens is when you click the link in the description, it says there pay $7.95. What you do, you move your cursor away from as if you're going to leave the site, and then you get a $1 discount. And all you do is click on that red button there, and it'll take you to the payment page. And instead of paying $7.95, you pay a one-time payment, no monthly membership costs, of $6.95. You can either pay with your card, or like if you've got some money in your Warrior Plus wallet, in your balance there, you can pay with your Warrior Plus wallet if you've got any commissions there. So that's how you get a discount. I think it's a superb value for $6.95 one-time payment. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, and that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new uploads. So currently on the channel here, I'm doing several new uploads every week. And if you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. I always put my email address in the description, so if you'd like to contact me, then that's the email address to contact me on, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.